Hello, in this video I am with the OPPO F23 and I'm gonna show you how you can turn on or off camera grid lines and also camera leveler. So to do this on your OPPO F23, you have to open this camera app and then move to the right upper corner. Click right here and then select settings icon. Next, you can find these two options right here, grid lines and camera leveler. To turn off or on camera leveler, just tap on the switcher, and to change the grid lines or simply turn them off, pick one of this following option. For example, we can switch to the normal grid line. And when you go back, as you can see, we get rid of the camera leveler and we change camera grid lines. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.